Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of I Heard That the Queen Mother and the Queen Are True. Chapter 26, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the Queen Mother right now. Looking at her, she was sulking. Well, probably, she missed the little queen right now. She was on her chamber and she was waiting for her. Well, it seems that she was not wrong. The little queen right now is going to her chamber. She's going to visit the queen mother right now. Although, sister, she came through the main entrance to visit. Don't know why she jumped out of the window but really didn't do anything to apologize to you. Well, at this moment, seeing this, Queen Mother seems to be excited. Looking at her, she seems to be happy, seeing the little queen right now, moving forward her. Sorry, I. Suddenly, the little queen approached her. But the queen mother said she doesn't have this chance. Well, at this moment, Queen Mother looked back. She wanted to look at her. Noriyuki, go to the entrance of the Kuning Palace and put up a sign. Oh, it turns out, did she really want to surprise the little queen? Well, suddenly the papers dropped on the floor. Who could it be? Is there some kind of surprise for the little queen? Or something else? Si Chang? Shi Chang Ni? Right now, this girl, it seems that she was really spy. But right now, she was talking to the queen mother. And she was really angry towards the queen. Well, probably right now because the little queen is approaching her. That's why she wants to eliminate this girl. Why this person start to have no pressure again because of the spiritual realm ended with such a disputes. Right now, the little queen seems to be worried. But the queen mother suddenly becomes silent. And right now, she's approaching her and calling her elder sister. You want to eat forage? Oh, what a little queen. She was really sweet. Until now, she was really concerned about the health and status. The queen mother, and the queen mother asked to be a baby, said to her, feed me. Well, it makes sense right now. The little queen seems to be surprised. Eh? Well, probably, because the queen mother is really acting like a baby. Now, she wants to be babied. The forage came in. The queen mother right now, she was eating slowly. Forage seems to be hot. But right now, she keeps herself quiet. Queen Mother seems to be surprised. She really wants to feed her. But the little queen seems to be persistent. She is patiently waiting for her. Feed her slowly. Looking at it, the Queen Mother seems to be confused. Looking at her face, it was really bland. Right now, seeing the little queen, she looks really worried towards to the Queen Mother right now. Probably a lot of things happened in the past, especially these fast days. Right now, the Queen Mother, trying to be calm down, was a quite well behaved when eating. The little queen noticed that the Queen Mother is not speaking but only busy on reading things. Queen Mother suddenly busy on reading, but the little queen is really approaching her, feeding her so much slowly. Got it on my mouth, little queen said to the Queen Mother. Well, the Queen Mother suddenly opened her mouth and little queen fed her and wiped her face. Well, she was really sweet. Right now, the little queen is really supporting her, especially right now. But suddenly, the little queen becomes awkward. Right now, she pushes her hands back. Well, probably, she knows that the Queen Mother might think something against her. Changshu, is this a forage? Please, bite it yourself. I was so blinded by the lard that I wanted to wipe your mouth for you. Well, right now, the little queen, she looks really mischievous. Now, she really knows how to coax the Queen Mother itself. Doing this, the little queen right now seems to be disappointed. The Queen Mother is slandering her. Right now, my sister will pay attention to me. Well, she really is. Instead of being thankful right now, she really mean it. Hearing this from the little queen, the queen mother seems to be worried about her. She looked into her eyes. She looked back. The little queen seems to be noticed by the queen mother. Now she knows that the queen mother is only teasing her. Well, the queen mother seems to be nice. She was in a good mood. She don't really angry. But you said you would pay attention last night. But what happened? Little queen is sulking. Right now she is telling this story. The queen mother itself not only been thrown the quilt all night, also moved his hands and feet everywhere. It was really disturbing. And the A family is sleepless full night. If the Aisha doesn't punish you again, who knows what else you might make. Well, it seems that the queen mother has a point. Right now the little queen should know, learn her lessons well. No, can you make some sense? The little queen is objecting to the queen mother. Well, she seems to be worried, but right now, 20 big words. According to the old rules. Queen mother explaining to her what the rules and things on. But still, the little queen, we want to impose rules, critical things. Why bother? Now, the little queen seems to be disappointed. But now, she was really shy. And looking at her, the queen mother is seeing her. Now, she really wants to provoke her. She was really smiling towards the little queen. Well, we can help it. Queen Jiangsu suddenly looked back and now she got really mad. She really knows this. Well, at this moment, she was still sulking. The little queen, Queen Jiangsu, I'm lying down and let's tease our sister. Well, it must really hard for her. Hearing Queen Jiangsu explanation right now, the queen mother, she was grasping her hands on the fan that she's holding into. Well, this is really strange. She was really rushing right now. I just right. And is injured. This time. Well, now, little queens become vigilant, whatever, and she is focusing to the queen mother itself. Queen mother looked back and she turned away. Now, she walked away from her. Probably, she really feels strange. Right now, this conversation, it really won't well. And the queen mother approaching her and said, you can fight it for yourself. Well, she's given advice how to handle these things up. Well, Changshu, right now. Also, maybe she was really shy to open up. That's why she was here. She chose to keep herself silent. In Jiangsu, right now, do I need to fight for myself? Well, she was asking for the queen mother. Well, guys, the story is getting better. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!